Step into Neo DASHCAM, where the calm of the highway can flip into pure adrenaline in a split second. Hit subscribe, keep your hands on the wheel, and enjoy the ride.
Looks just like a NASCAR lap, only missing the crowd cheering in the stands. Share your thoughts below. How would you react if you were in this situation? This scene looks like a stunt rejected from a Mission Impossible movie. Sometimes reality reminds us that the streets don't follow a Hollywood script. That ride's running a little hotter than expected. That's one way to test the brakes. Probably not the recommended one. Keeping a steady pace can make a big difference on busy roads, giving you better control, quicker reactions, and fewer surprises along the way. That's one way to test if the car's waterproof package was worth it. Talk about hitting the wrong beat. That's one close encounter nobody had on their weekend plans. That's one chain reaction nobody wanted on today's schedule. Hit subscribe to catch more unforgettable moments. Some GPS somewhere just whispered, altitude detected. Pretty sure someone just Googled nearest body shop. Sometimes speed isn't the issue, it's how we handle it. Seems like today came with an unexpected gravity check, and it's a reminder of how quickly everything can change. Just a moment of distraction can lead to a chain of irreversible consequences, and those crazy car accidents gently remind us of that. On the road, patience always pays better than risk. Nature doesn't send warnings. Staying alert is your best defense. That's one delivery no one placed an order for. Just one miscalculation and everything can change instantly. Sometimes, a brief moment of slowing down is all it takes to stay safe. Because maintaining balance is just as important as maintaining speed. unlocked spin mode without reading the manual. Someone just invented the art of surprise parking. You don't always need to be first. Sometimes staying safe is the real win. Looks like someone just passed an unexpected safety test. That felt like a scene ripped straight from Daytona Speedway. When speed meets bad timing, timing always wins. Sometimes the road reminds us that slowing down can be the wiser choice. Talk about missing the memo on slowing down. That could have been straight out of a Fast and Furious blooper reel. Guess the repair shop just unlocked a new loyalty member. Slow hands, steady minds, safer rides. This moment was more intense than the Super Bowl halftime show. Now that's what you call a plot twist. Somebody's weekend plans just shifted to calling the repair shop. Every moment behind the wheel is precious because everything can change in an instant. Use them wisely to keep your journey safe. And just a light tap while moving can lead to unpredictable consequences. That had more tension than a buzzer beater shot in the NBA Finals. Somewhere, a city accountant is already updating the repair numbers. When speed takes over, control slips away quickly, and just a single moment of lost focus is enough for everything to spiral out of hand. Seconds are all it takes to turn calm roads into chaos. When balance is lost, control disappears faster than expected.
Già rồi vẫn đẹp, các bạn là một. Ê, rồi. Anh sẽ tải ở xưa.
Whoa, that escalated in seconds. Every second behind the wheel shapes what happens next. This had more suspense than a tiebreaker at the Masters tournament. Guess cruise control wasn't part of the plan today. So much for smooth sailing. That road turned into rough waters real quick. Well, that's one way to test the durability of the glass. Sometimes easing off the gas is the smartest move you can make. Just one miscalculation, and everything can change instantly. What do you think is the most important factor to stay safe in a situation like this? When you pick up the speed, reality always finds a way to slow you down. And dashcam car crashes capture it best. Decisions at speed leave no margin for error. Some mechanic just got a surprise bonus today. Pretty sure an insurance hotline just lit up. Slowing down at the right moment can save you from a world of trouble. One cautious moment can prevent years of headaches. And just like that, the shortcut turned into the long way home. Looks like someone skipped the defensive driving chapter today. Consider it a reminder to drive smart, not just fast. Well, that's one way to say hello.
Neo DashCam signs off here, but your safe journey continues every time you hit the road. Subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment to keep spreading the message of safe driving.